This section of the trail, we're trying to come up with a creative name, but rock and roll section or something. Right here, there were a bunch of huge rocks just already sitting here. And when we first started walking down here, we actually would step on these rocks and use them. A couple of these, I think 3 or 4 of these rocks right here on the steps were actually here. So we just naturally gravitated to these rocks. So a lot of these rocks were already here, so we just brought the trail through this section. We love vines. We have a long history of vines in this area. When we were kids, we swung on the vines. And so we wanted to leave that vine here. And so we took the trail around the vine. And again, this is where we walked before we built. So we kind of, for the most part, built the trail where we just naturally walked the first place. And there were some deer trails coming up through here, so we actually used deer trails. So this is our rock and roll section. Right in here, just using all those rocks that we already had. And it's making something interesting out of it.